So listen to me. Listen. Okay. Meaning of self-growth is improving ourselves step by step. Nah, it's about learning new skill, building good habits, and becoming a better person. Mm. But the real thing is easy. Nah, cause it needs patience, patience, and effort. I say when we make well, when we make mistakes, we learn we grow stronger and wiser because we learn it about self-growth. Self-growth help us gain confidence and maybe understanding ourselves better. Nah, and else it teaches us to face challenge with a positive mindset. By focusing on self-growth, we move closer to our goals and create a meaningful yet successful life. Yora, makasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.